हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू यू ऑल। तहे दिल से आपका स्वागत है आपके अपने पढ़ाई करो करो तैयारी जीत के यूट्यूब प्लेटफॉर्म पर। द डे इट वाज के आज के सेशन में हम डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया विच इज़ सेलिब्रेटिंग इट्स फाउंडेशन डे टुडे। कृष्णमाचारी श्रीकांत, अ फेमस इंडियन cricketer who was born on this day in Chennai. Govinda, a famous Hindi movie star who was born on this day. INS Satvahana, a premier submarine base of Indian Navy which was commissioned on this day. Padamnabha Krishna Gopal Iyengar, P.K. Iyengar, a famous Indian nuclear physicist and former chairman of Atomic Energy Commission, passed away on this day in Mumbai. शुरू करने से पहले आज की मोटिवेशनल कोट। दुनिया का हर शौक पाला नहीं जाता, कांच के खिलौनों को हवा में उछाला नहीं जाता। मेहनत करने से मुश्किलें हो जाती हैं आसान, मेहनत करने से मुश्किलें हो जाती हैं आसान, क्योंकि हर काम तकदीर पर टाला नहीं जाता। तो आइए फ्रेंड्स शुरू करते हैं आज का फर्स्ट पॉइंट। 21 दिसंबर 1911 सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया विच इज़ वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट एंड ओल्डेस्ट कमर्शियल बैंक्स इन इंडिया was founded on this date by Sorabji Pochkhanwala. It was the first commercial bank completely owned and managed by Indians. In 1969, Central Bank of India was nationalized. In 1980, Central Bank of India was one of first banks in India to issue credit card, and the name of the credit card was Central Card. About Sorabji Pochkhanwala, he started his career as a clerk in Chartered Bank. In 1905, he resigned from the Chartered Bank and joined as an accountant in the newly established Bank of India, which was established by several Indian merchants. He noticed how the British dominated banking in India, which made him to envision a purely Indian-controlled bank by which Indians could exercise dominance over their financial affairs. So he established on 21st December 1911 the Central Bank of India with Firoz Shah Mehta, who was a prominent Parsi barrister, making him its chairman. Next point, 21st December 1959, Krishnamachari Shrikant, former captain of Indian cricket team, was born on this date in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Shrikant was an opening batsman who was known for his aggressive attacking strokes. He is an electrical engineer by qualification. He did his engineering from College of Engineering Guindy in Chennai. His first one-day international match was on 25th November 81 against England, and his first test was also against England on 27 November 1981. He played total 146 ODIs and scored 4,091 runs, and in total 43 test matches he scored 2,062 runs. His last ODI was against South Africa on 15 March 92, and his last test match was against Australia on 1st February 92. Shrikant was the top scorer in 1983 World Cup final match against West Indies. In 89 he became the captain of the Indian cricket team. Sachin Tendulkar made his debut under his captaincy. Shrikant in 1988, he became the first Indian player who scored a half century and picked up 5 wickets as well in an ODI against New Zealand in Visakhapatnam. From 2008 to 2012, he was the chief selector of the Indian cricket team. Next point, 20th December 1963, Govinda, a very famous Hindi movie actor and a star, was born on this day in Mumbai. Govinda's full name is Govind Arun Ahuja. His first movie was Iljam in 1986. He has done the playback singing in the movies like Aankhein, Shola Aur Shabnam and Hasina Maan Jayegi. He has worked in over 165 movies and is famous for his iconic dance moves. In 1999, BBC News online poll voted him the 10th greatest star of stage and screen. In the movie Had Kar Diya Aapne, he played 6 roles like Raju and his mother, father, sister, grandfather and grandmother. Govinda has a record of acting in 49 films simultaneously and signing 14 films in 36 hours. Govinda was the member of parliament in Lok Sabha from 2004 to 2009 from Mumbai North constituency. Next point, 21st December 1974, INS Satvahana, which is a premier submarine training base of the Indian Navy, was commissioned on this date and is located at Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. In 1986, INS Satvahana was turned exclusively into submarine training establishment after disbanding the surface training school. The objective was to impart world-class submarine and escape training to meet the stringent performance objectives and exacting standard of the submarine arm. Training is carried out by Submarine School, Escape Training School, School of Advanced Undersea Warfare. Next point, 21st December 2011, Padmanabha Krishna Gopala Iyengar, PK Iyengar, who was an Indian nuclear physicist and former chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission, who passed away on this date at the age of 80 in Mumbai. He began his career at Tata Institute for Fundamental Research and then he joined Department of Atomic Energy in 1952. In 1954, he was shifted to Atomic Energy Establishment, which was later renamed as Bhabha Atomic Research Center. In 56, he was trained in Canada under B.N. Brockhaus, who was a Nobel laureate in physics. In 1960, he led a team of indigenously developed the Purnima reactor, which was commissioned on 18th May 1972 at Bhabha Atomic Research Center. On 18th May 74, he was one of the key figures in the Operation Smiling Buddha, which was the first peaceful nuclear explosion at Pokhran. In 1984, he became the director of the Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Under his leadership, Dhruv reactor was constructed, which is India's largest nuclear reactor. In 1990, he was appointed as a chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission of India and the secretary to the Department of Atomic Energy. His awards and honors: Bhatnagar Award in 71, Padma Bhushan in 75, Raman Centenary Medal of the Indian Academy of Science in 88, Bhabha Medal for Experimental Physics of the Indian National Science Academy in 1990, होमी भाभा मेडल इन 2006। उम्मीद करता हूं दोस्तों कि आज का सेशन भी आपके लिए बहुत यूज़फुल एंड इन्फॉर्मेटिव रहा होगा। आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल टू प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर। पढ़ाई करो तैयारी जीत की यूट्यूब वीडियो एंड प्लेटफॉर्म। कल मिलते हैं ऐसे ही एक और इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो के साथ। टिल देन, पढ़ाई करो, टीम की तरफ से ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। थैंक यू।